Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable don't allow sites to send notifications on Google Chrome. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable don't allow sites to send notifications on Google Chrome, go to Google Chrome and click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Now click on settings. In left hand click on privacy and security. Now scroll down, click on site settings, scroll down again. Here you will find an option notifications. Click on notifications. Under default behavior you will find two options. Sites can ask to send notification and another one is don't allow sites to send notification. Just click on don't allow sites to send notification. Don't allow sites to send notification is turned on in my Google Chrome browser. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.